We are so excited you're here to get set up and walk through your first Experience Curriculum box. Experience Curriculum is an easy-to-implement, research-based curriculum system that includes hands-on learning materials. It has been empowering and supporting educators for over 30 years and is now seamlessly integrated with Brightwill's all-in-one childcare software. If you're not currently a Brightwill user but would like to become one to take advantage of digital lessons, lesson plans, and assessments in the Brightwill app, click the Getting Started link in the video description. This video is broken up into focus sections. You can navigate to different parts of this video using the toolbar below or video description if you would like to rewatch specific sections in the future with your teachers. You can also go to experiencecurriculum.com or email us to get more support. The Expert Design Experience Curriculum Kit is mailed directly to your program each month. Let's start with opening up this box and diving in.
Each box is based on a monthly theme and will be set up the same way.
First, you'll find your teacher tool bag, then your circle time bag, then your 20 daily bags.
Each kit contains 20 daily bags that connect to a lesson,
filled with play-based literacy, math, creative art, STEAM, and community experiences. Let's take a peek inside of a few of these bags. I'm going to quickly show you and identify the items included. First, we have the teacher tool bag. Inside, you will find resources to help you plan for the month, including your 4 teacher guides. You will also have the monthly theme web poster. This gives you the big picture of all the topics you will be exploring all month long with your children. Here, the monthly thematic study is listed in the big circle in the middle, then the weekly topics are listed in the medium circles, and the daily subtopics are listed off each week. These topics represent lessons 1 through 20. Next, you will find your 4 weekly skill charts. These show you all the activities that you will do during the week. For each activity, you will see which skills the children will learn while playing and participating. You can even hang this up on your wall as a weekly lesson plan. Notice how one chart goes with each weekly teacher guide. In the nest, bird parts, tree birds, exotic birds. Now let's take a look at the supplies. Most supplies are included and are listed on your supplied core tools list, but there are a couple things we don't include. You can find those on your gathering list, and you're going to want to have those handy. We conveniently listed all the items here on this page for the whole month. Some are general materials like paint and glue, and other things are a little more specialized, like sticky notes, or on this day you'll need some small rocks available. Any of those items can be substituted for something similar that you have conveniently in your home or classroom. Finally, let's dig into your 4 teacher guides. You will have 1 teacher guide for each week, and in each guide contains 5 lessons. That makes 20 lessons for the month. Each lesson will be set up the same way, making it easy for you to quickly find the activity you need. If you're a Brightwill user, all the lessons, skills, and supplies needed will also be displayed in your Brightwill app. The first activity you will see in your lesson will be circle time. Let's take a closer look at the circle time bag to see what's included. This bag is packed full of materials that you will use all month long during circle time with your children. Inside this bag, you'll have a monthly calendar. It includes pop-up number pieces to put up daily, which also match the pattern that you're focusing on that month. In addition, you'll have a monthly theme poster, which includes I Spy glasses for interactive exploration. Every month, your children will explore a character trait such as generosity through our Forest Friends program, which is designed to support children in exploring social and emotional skills. To help be a visual reminder of the month's character trait, you will have a Forest Friend and character trait description card to add to your circle time display. We also focus on a color and shape for each month. For example, this month's color is white and the shape is a hexagon. Included will be a shape sack and shape cards to use during circle time and other learning activities. We'll also focus on our other core concepts such as the 2 numbers of the month. You'll receive hands-on numbers, number cards, and a variety of other math materials to reinforce the numbers of the month. You'll also find your monthly manipulatives to use throughout the month in your circle time bags. Literacy tools will be included as well. Encourage new vocabulary with the weekly theme vocabulary cards in English and Spanish. Each month there are 3 featured letters. You have cube cards to use in phonics games, as well as letter cards that can be used to build a word wall. Continue building your word wall all year long to support ongoing literacy development. Loose letter mats and pieces are also supplied for the monthly featured letters to build letter recognition and emergent writing skills in a hands-on and fun way. Lastly, you'll find the lyrics that go along with our monthly themed music available on streaming platforms or right in the Brightwheel app. All these concepts are reinforced in a variety of art, fun games, and projects throughout the month, and your Circle Time display is a great reminder all month long. Let's take a look at how the rest of your daily bags are organized for easy implementation. First, notice the color band. It changes every 5 lessons. The color band matches the color of the teacher guide for the week. If you do 1 lesson a day, you will complete all 5 bags in 1 week. Then the second week, you'll be ready for a new color band with a new teacher's guide and 5 more bags. Now let's look at one of the lesson plans and see how the daily bags bring these lessons to life. To get ready for a lesson, you'll simply match the daily topic that's listed on the bag to the lesson title. Every lesson, you'll find a Circle Time activity and creative corner on the left side. On the right side, you'll find your math and literacy activities, along with your suggested story and closing time activities. Now let's look at an example. This lesson is from our bird parts week, and the lesson is about the head and beak. Inside the bag, you'll find the materials needed to complete these activities. In today's creative art activity, children will create a bird beak as part of our Make and Play. Inside the bag, there are the core materials needed for this activity for each child. Then for literacy, you will play a game about bird vision, and you will have those materials ready to go. For the math learning activity, you will use bird puzzles for children to find the correct match. There is also a STEAM station for each day. The details for this STEAM activity can be found at the beginning of each teacher's guide. You will be able to access these printables for STEAM in member resources, or add the STEAM packet to your subscription to save even more time when exploring STEAM. Finally, for Storytime, you will find your Forest Friend book, which is part of our social emotional program, with the magnetic storytelling pieces. Our Forest Friends is one of the books that you will find in your monthly kit. In the other bags, you'll find more materials that you'll use to explore the rest of the daily topics. Some of these include books, games, art supplies, and more. We hope you have fun experiencing preschool with your children.